Namaste. Welcome to Turiya Communications. This is Dipshita Chaudhary, and today I am going to talk about the effect of political correctness on advertising and communications. Have you ever seen an advertising which has left you scratching your head? Well, you are not the only one. Advertising can either be a hit or a miss depending on the target audience and the marketing team in charge. The marketing team can actually create an incredible advertising campaign, or it can also create a blunder by making an advertising campaign which may offend or hurt the sentiments of certain people or groups. So let's begin by defining what is political correctness. As the dictionary suggests, political correctness is the avoidance often considered as taken to extreme forms of expression or action that perceive to exclude, marginalize, or insult groups of people who are socially disadvantaged or discriminated against. So, you must make politically correct ad so that your brand reputation is intact. Let's take you back to history and talk about advertisements which have shook the world and created huge controversies. For example, in 1995, a black and white photograph of supermodels Milind Soman and Madhu Sapre posing nude, wearing nothing but a pair of tough shoes and a python wrapped around their body stirred a nationwide controversy. The ad was banned and the models were charged with indecent behavior in a court. You may also remember the Amul Macho ad wherein Indian model and actress Sana Khan was shown washing underwears of a man and making sexual innuendos. Also back in 2013, a Ford Motor Company ad of Ford Figo showed the cartoon of three women tied to the rear of a vehicle which was driven by former Italian Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi. So, how do you stay away from such ads and create a politically correct ad? Modern culture requires the creation of politically correct ads, and here are some tips on how to create one. Number 1. Include all genders. We all know that gender is infinite. So why only include men or women for your business? Why not all of them? Secondly, include multiple races and ethnicities. As we all know that advertisements are a reflection of our culture, we must include all ethnicities in our ads. Thirdly, avoid any prejudice against anyone. Do not show any sort of barbaric acts or any rituals which may offend any people or any group or community. Fourth, please always avoid any curse words or unsavory languages because it may harm your brand's reputation. Since advertisement is a commercial game, it is usually used to stir up some sort of emotive response that connects an individual with the product. But what is offensive and what is not is very subjective. Since advertisement is a commercial game, it is designed to stir up some sort of emotive response that connects an individual with the product or service that the ad is promoting. But what is offensive and what is not is subjective and difficult to understand. So, if you want to create a politically correct advertisement, get in touch with Turiya Communications today and visit our website www.turiyacommunications.com to know more.